Hi guys, do you want your Linux desktop to automatically switch between dark and light mode at day and night? If so, in this short video I will show you how you can do it. We are going to use with this article, which I will put in the description below, and where you can find all the needed information, also with mapping between the commands and the UI. In this video I will show you how to create darkscript. You can find the information here with all the commands. We are going to create new shell file. Let's name it darksh. Then paste all the content here. You can change the values based on your preferences. Right now we are going to save it. You need to make it executable by going on permissions and allow executing of this program. And right now we can see that we have Wikipedia website which is open light mode, and we have the same for the applications of Linux Mint. If we double click it, we can run it in the terminal, and as you can see both of them were changed. And you can schedule this change by using cron jobs. For example, we can open the cron jobs with cron tab, and we can schedule both scripts by selecting some periods. For example, this is going to run at 18, 19 and 20, and we need to put the script to the file. And now let's focus on the properties. The first one is setting environmental variable, which is helping some of the commands to work. Next four are used directly from the UI. I changed a bit the script so we can have a better view of what is going on, and as you can see the first one is about the cursor. Next we have the applications, icons, and finally we have the desktop. Next two, the first one is used for applications of Linux Mint, which might be affected by system settings, and the other one is about websites like Wikipedia. If you have some settings like this one, color, and you can select automatic, and the same is for the applications. And finally you can set wallpaper for your theme. Changes done by this script or UI are going to be saved in a file user under config dconf. This file is binary, so we cannot edit it, but we can do monitoring of this file by using command dconf watch. Once we run the command, we can apply change for the theme, and all changes are going to be visible in terminal. You can find the property and the value. The same is for dark and light mode. In case of questions, you can check the article. I will try to update it with all the questions which arise from this video. Why I'm doing all this? Because day length is changing for my location from 9 to 15 hours depending on the month, and as you can see right now it's about 11 hours per day. The same is for sunrise and sunset, they are changing, and I need to work with different daylight. That's why I prefer to have all this done for me automatically for websites, applications and so on. I hope that you learned something new today. For all data science materials, I'm using different website, datascientist.com. I will add it below. If you have some ideas for topics or videos, please do let me know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.